Hello, everyone. My name is Thuy Phan, and I'll be your host today on this conversation on COVID-19 vaccinations. Joining us today is Dr. Deepa Yerram, who is the Chief Medical Officer at International Community Health Services. Dr. Yerram, thank you so much for joining us today.
Oh, thank you for having me over.
What are some things that parents need to know about getting their children vaccinated?
Well, most of the parents think and believe that COVID-19 infection in children is often milder, and that is true. But some kids who get infected with coronavirus can get very severe lung infections, become really, really sick very quickly, and require hospitalizations. It is important for the parents to know that even though kids might not have the same rate of severe infection, they still need to get vaccinated.
Can I ask you, what are some of the side effects that might be seen in young children or infants from the COVID-19 vaccine?
Well, young children, especially your children, might notice pain at the injection site, typically on the upper arm or on the front of the thigh in case of smaller children. And they might be a little bit more tired than usual as well.
Now, who is eligible for a booster dose and when should we get one?
Well, currently anyone above the age of 12 is eligible for a single dose of the updated COVID-19 booster or the bivalent booster, as you might have heard in the media reports. And this is usually given at least 2 months since your last primary or primary booster dose of the COVID-19.
Is there anything else you think is really important that you'd like to share with parents about the COVID-19 vaccine?
I definitely. So COVID-19 has been scary. It is scary. It is going to be scary going forward. There are variants that are coming around left and right, but we have very good weapons in our arsenal in the form of COVID-19 vaccines. I understand that there are a lot of media reports that you might hear or read about dangers of the vaccines. But remember, these are highly validated vaccines with a proven safety profile.
Thank you so much, Dr. Deepa, for taking the time today to educate us on the COVID-19 vaccinations. For anyone who wants more information, you can go to the website below or call the number here. Thank you again for taking the time.
Thank you for having me over. It has been a pleasure.